Creating a blank or custom presentation. Click the Create button under Blank Template. Under Presentation Info and Settings, enter a presentation title. You may add a password if you choose. You could choose to publish immediately, schedule the presentation, or if you're not ready to publish, you can keep it in draft mode. You may also add an expiration date if you choose. Permalink is a fancy word for custom URL. If you would like to customize the URL that gets delivered, enter a value here. Otherwise, the title will be used as a default. Client Information module contains all the information about the prospect that you're sending this presentation to. Enter client name, an email, a logo, and a note to the client. You may also display your signature, or you can toggle this module on and off if you don't wish to use it.